So, you want to know how to make bot in Like4Like using mobile phone?
Yes.
Well, it's your lucky day, because today, we won't need a computer to do this.
Nice.
But before we begin, first you have to install SUBCRIBE on Google Play Store. To access the app, we need first to allow all the permission needed. By doing so, we can now use the full features of the app and we can now start to build our bot. First we're gonna click the plus icon to make a new file. After that, we will have to name our file and then click the save icon. Now click the edit mode below our saved file, and you should see something like this on the top of your screen. Now open your Chrome browser and log in your account in Like4Like, then click the earn credits and YouTube subscribe. After that, swipe the slide icon on the upper right, then click the search image icon, then a box will appear on your screen. Now stretch the box large enough to capture all the tasks, like shown on the video. After that, double click the box that we create, then click the search image icon, another box will appear. Now select the subscribe button. This will be the image that the bot will search on the first box that we create.
Do it!
Make sure to capture only the subscribe button, like this on the video.
Just do it!
Now click the box and name the picture as subs. After that, swipe down and change the wait next value to 5,000. As you can see, I turn off the visibility of our workspace area by clicking on the eye logo. I recommend you to do the same to not get confused later on. The next step will be the same as before. Swipe right the slide icon. Now click the search image icon. A box will appear, but this time capture all the upper half of our screen. After that, click the box that we create, then click the search image icon. Now capture the subscribe button. This will be the reference image that the bot will use. Now click the box that we create and name it as already subs, then swipe down and change the wait next value to 5,000. Now open the SUBCRIBE tray by swiping right the slide icon. Now click the touch icon. This represents as a one touch or one click. We're gonna place it to our tab options of our browser, so it depends on your browser where to put it. Next is click the touch swipe icon. We do this to close the tab, so it depends on your browser. Then make another click button by clicking the touch icon. We do this to open the tab 1, so it depends also on your browser. Now set the wait next to 5,000. Now go to tab 1 and make another search area and search image by swiping right the slide icon and clicking the search image icon. Then again a box will appear, and this time we will make a box big enough to capture all the Like4Like task area. After that, click the box that we create and click the search image icon, then capture the confirm button like this on the video. Click the box and change the wait next value to 5,000. Now we're gonna test our bot, but first we need to refresh or reload the page. Click the home button, and your script should look like this. Now click the play button to test our script. This red box here indicates that our bot is running. Unfortunately, I have slow connection, so we're gonna need to modify the bot a little. But first I'm gonna show you how the bot would work. As you can see, it only play once and then it stops, so we're gonna add a loop script so the bot will run continuously. We do that by clicking the new group icon, and change the value of repeat to 999, and then check the infinite loop. Now highlights all the other script that we did, then click the scissor icon or cut, then open the group that we create and paste it inside. One final step is to click this to script, swipe down and check the loop when fail, so that the script will run smoothly even though you have slow internet connection. Now refresh the page and click the play button. Now you can relax and do some other things while our bot automatically gather points for us. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to show your support.